So yesterday when we stopped the lecture, we were talking about the concept of goods. How many clauses are there in the definition?
5 clauses.
5 clauses.
5.
Okay. Now, a small test for you. What is written here? Goods means or goods includes?
Goods includes.
Includes.
Includes, sir.
Sure?
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Goods includes.
Include.
Right? Why this is inclusive? Because of last clause. This is any other kind of movable property. First 4 are specific. And last one is open. That's why this is inclusive. As far as vessel aircraft is concerned, that we have already spoken. Right? Now we come to the term stores. Put the heading stores. So this is not stores. Where will you find the definition of the term stores? Going alphabetically, this is here. Section 2, subsection 38. Now, stores means, first word is means. The goods for use in a vessel or aircraft. Vessel and aircraft. Now, first of all, it says it means goods, whatever be the category of goods, but required to be used on board the vessel or aircraft. And includes fuel, spare parts, other articles of equipment, whether or not for immediate fitting. So the word use, this says for use, use includes fitting also, consumption also. So use is a much broader word. Consumption is also covered therein. Fitting is also covered therein. Installation is also covered therein. So this word use is a wide word. Okay. And then what is covered therein? Vessel or aircraft. What about vehicle? Vehicle is not there. So the concept of stores relates to vessel and aircraft only. That relates to vessel and aircraft only. So this is section 2, subsection 38. And first thing is, concept relates to vessel and aircraft. Word vehicle is not there. Okay. This is all goods on board any vessel or aircraft for use. Now, this use includes fitting as well as consumption.
Sir, consumption word is not written there.
The word is not written, but the word use is there. Okay. So how do you use the food? Food items on the vessel itself is a big component.
Yes.
How that is used?
As per stored, that is okay, but consumption is not written. That's the question.
Every word is not written. That is what the law is. It requires interpretation. That what is the meaning of that particular word at that specific place. That is the interpretation of law. Okay. And here then you can includes fuel. Now, how do you use the word fuel? It is consumed or not?
It is consumed.
So when the definition says it includes fuel, so whether consumption is there or not?
It is consumption.
Got it? No, good to ask the question sometimes. Includes of fuel. These are examples. This is not the end of the list. This is just one example. Fuel. Spare parts. Spare parts are not consumed, those are fitted. Fuel is not fitted, that is consumed.
Yes.
Okay, that's why I have used both the buttons. And the best part is this use may be immediate or maybe sometime later. The word use. Right? So use may be immediate or later. There is no limit how many days within which it should be utilized or consumed. Certain spare parts are there which will never be used throughout the life of the vessel. Right? But still that will continue to be there. Like the fuel taken in the fuel tank from India. The vessel is going to, say, Mauritius. It may take 7 days. So fuel taken today from India is not going to be consumed today. It will be consumed over a period of 7 days. Okay. So that's why we said that the use may be immediate or it may be later. Okay. Now check this. And if you have a question, please discuss.
Sir, why vehicle is not covered in this?
Why vehicle is not covered in this? The reason is because there is too much of connectivity and there is no control on vehicles as we can control the vessels and aircraft. So infiltration or smuggling chances are very high. Any idea how much diesel is smuggled through the vessels? चेतन जी को आइडिया है?
क्वांटिटी नहीं, लेकिन बहुत it is quite a huge quantity. When it comes to Bombay docks, there is a chances are there. They transfer to barge, and barge they take the diesel.
अच्छा चलो idea शुरू करते हैं just to give you information. A vessel carrying 500 containers, only 500 containers. Okay. Sorry. What will be the size of its fuel tank? Imagine.
लाख metric ton. लाखों metric ton होगा.
नहीं लाखों में नहीं, लाखों तो कुछ वर्ड ज्यादा हो गया. But hundreds of tons is always there. Hundreds of tons. And at what price do they get the diesel? vessel on international route.
As per international crude.
At what price do they get? Anything supplied to a foreign going vessel is free of all local taxes. Anything supplied to a foreign going vessel. Okay, it is free of all local taxes. And diesel, if you take the price at approximate price 90 rupees per liter, in that more than 50% are the taxes. What is the price at which they're getting the diesel?
It's still smuggling is there, sir.
Hmm?
It will
Smuggling
be
is
around
there.
45-50 rupees, sir, per liter.
Less than 40 rupees they get.
Yes.
Right? And if they sell some small quantity, maybe 1 ton or 2 ton to the small steamers which are roaming around, that is how the smuggling takes place.
In Elephanta Cave,
Yes,
there are lots of.
lots of. Okay, so that is where we do not consider as far as vehicles are concerned, because too much of entry and exit, like Nepal border it is open. Okay, Bangladesh border, lots of vehicles coming in, going out every day. That is day-to-day affair. And there cannot be so much of check as it can be applied in case of vessels as well as in case of aircraft. That's why the concept of stores is not applied to vehicles. Okay. Now, as far as stores are concerned, we have special provisions from section 85 to 90. These are specifically applicable to stores only. So right now, I'll not teach you about section 85 to 90 because every term you use there is need to be explained. So better we don't touch section 85 to 90 now. When we come to those sections, I'll explain you. Right now, only for the purpose of definition of the term goods, the goods includes stores also. And what are the stores? Stores means all goods on board any vessel or aircraft, including fuel as well as accessories, spare parts.
To watch full video, join online batch weekdays 8:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. Call Tail Institute.